Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina here with another release of the economic calendar from ИнстаФорекс. On Thursday and Friday, financial market players will watch closely the following macroeconomic events. On Thursday, China will release its manufacturing PMI data for April. Analysts say the indicator is likely to rise to 50.5. Last month, the index was at the level of 50.3, having climbed by 0.1 points. At the same time, the forecast suggested the indicator would fall to 50.1. Overall, manufacturing activity in China is in positive territory above the 50 threshold, signaling expansion of the sector. On Thursday, we will see whether positive dynamics will remain in April. On Friday, Statistics Australia will unveil its Producer Price Index report for the first quarter of 2014. According to economists, inflation will come in at 0.6% on a quarterly basis and 2.2% year-on-year. In the last quarter of 2013, annual producer price inflation was 1.9%, the same as in the third quarter. At the same time, prices were up by 0.2% from the previous 3 months, when the indicator rose by 1.3%. In the October-December period, the growth was on the back of the rising agricultural prices, transportation equipment and construction. Prices for oil refining and production declined, as well as prices for computer and electronic equipment manufacturing. In addition, the U.S. Labor Department will disclose its unemployment rate and non-farm employment change figures for April. According to preliminary estimates, the jobless rate is to fall to 6.6%. Experts are optimistic about the employment growth, saying the economy would add 207,000 new jobs. In case the forecast comes true, there will be further uncertainties over the Fed raising interest rates in 2015. It is worth noting that the jobless rate in March was flat at 6.7%, while experts were calling for a decline to 6.6%. Meanwhile, employment growth was below expectations. However, previous 2 months' figures were revised upwards. Thus, the indicator strengthened by 192,000, although economists said it was to increase by 200,000. Revised data for January and February increased by a total of 37,000. In addition to above-mentioned events, there also will be the following important reports at the end of the week. On Thursday, Chair of the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve, Janet Yellen, will deliver her speech. Next, initial claims for U.S. unemployment insurance benefits will be coming out. Household income and spending figures will be published. Canada and the United States will release manufacturing PMI data for April. And on Friday, there will be reports on unemployment in the Euro area and Japan, as well as PMI data in the Euro area and the UK construction PMI figures. And this concludes the latest release of Economic Calendar, prepared for you by our InstaForexs team. Thank you and goodbye.